Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a few things you can do before you make a phone call to a repairman if your thermostat stops working. My thermostat's been shutting off intermittently. It completely died today. I'm kind of in a panic to come up with a solution, and I'm very grateful to say that I found it, so I want to share it with you. The first thing you want to do is check to see if it has a battery. Sometimes the fix is simple and you just need to replace batteries. My thermostat, however, is not run by batteries, so I have to move on to the next step, which would be to check your electrical panel. You want to check through and make sure you haven't tripped a switch. That wasn't the problem for me, so I had one more thing that I could check before I had to make that phone call to a repairman, and that was a safety switch. Your AC unit has a drain line, and there's this safety switch or safety valve that you need to check to see if it's touching water. If the drain isn't working or it's clogged, the water's going to back up and trip this switch, and that will turn off the power at your thermostat. So you need to check your AC drain. A lot of the drain lines are PVC pipes that you'll find sticking out of your house somewhere, and you'll see water dripping. Mine doesn't lead outside my house, it leads to a hole in my garage floor. So to clear the line, I hooked my shop vac up to the PVC pipe and tried to suck out any old or stagnant water. I was able to attach the shop vac to the end that goes into my garage floor and could feel on the other end that the air was sucking all the way through, so I knew that the drain line had to be pretty clear. The water that the shop vac sucked out was really slimy and gross, so I decided to pour bleach down the line to get rid of any leftover slime and to hopefully prevent more from growing back. I think it won't be a bad idea that every time I change the filter, I put just a little bit of bleach down that drain line to help prevent another blockage in the future. So can I tell you how thrilled I am that this was such an easy fix? I did not have to call a repairman. My air conditioner is working just fine now, and this was pretty simple. Before you make that phone call, just check those three things. Check for a battery, check that you haven't tripped your electrical panel, and then check your drain line. Make sure that the water's flowing through, that there isn't anything backed up into that safety switch. Hopefully your fix is as easy as mine, because I know it saved me a couple $100 today. So I hope this was helpful to you guys. If so, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified the next time something breaks down around the house and I try to fix it. Thanks for watching.